As a real estate investor, people often ask me if they too, with very little funds, can invest in property. If you're one of them, here are 9 steps to kickstart your real estate investing career. My name is Olawale Iyinolakan, and this is Brief Design Workshop Series. I help people make profit in the difficult landscape of the real estate and property world. If this is your first time, be sure to subscribe and click that bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any of the free stuff that I bring you every week. I remember clearly that as early as my 3rd year in architecture school, I was very much interested in providing affordable housing with no idea how to reach my goal. I did the only thing I could do. I researched and learned a lot from books as much as I could. I found mentors, and then I put in a good shift on the streets. But if I could do it all over again, I would begin with a step-by-step instruction from an exceptional real estate investor. This plan will allow me to learn in stages while I still move forward. And then it will cut all the headaches and the frustration and avoid me getting overwhelmed. While I can't cry over spilled milk, I have created a step-by-step plan for you to begin investing full-time in real estate out of my own experience. Please note, for best effect, I recommend that you listen from start to finish. So, follow me closely, take notes, and immerse yourself into every of these steps so that you can get started as soon as possible. But yeah, let's dive right in. Step 1, identify your financial state. Real estate investing is simply one of the numerous ways to improve your finances. So before we begin, I would like you to take a moment to think about your current financial state. Most new investors want to reach financial independence. You can think of this as the peak of a mountain where all your expenses are covered by income from investments. The fundamentals of climbing this mountain are the same, whether you choose to invest in real estate or something else. But to get to the top of this mountain faster, you really have to save more money. I will suggest a few specific real estate strategies to help you improve your savings in the next section. But for now, I want you to think of where you are on this financial mountain. Are you a JJC? Are you just starting? Are you halfway there? Or are you at the top of the mountain? You really want to know your level, because depending on the level that you're on, some real estate strategies will make sense more than the others. So after thinking for a moment, have you decided what level you're on? Don't worry, you don't have to be perfect. Let's move to step 2. Step 2, choose your specific real estate investing strategy. Some people begin this stage with voluminous, MBA-worthy business plans. But remember, the goal is to get you started. So let's start with something quicker. For now, just choose one strategy that will help you get from your current financial level to the next one. Here is a menu of suggested real estate strategies that you can choose from depending on your current level of wealth. Strategies for wealth level 1 and 2. The goal of this strategy is to earn more income, learn, and then avoid losses. They are: keep your day job and work to get a raise. 2, instead of simply renting or stretching to buy a home, master lease a residence and rent out bedrooms or units to reduce your payments. 3, bird dog for other real estate investors to sniff out good deals for them and learn the investment acquisition business in the process. 4, become a buyer's agent. Help buyers find homes to purchase and learn the retail housing market in the process. 5, become a leasing agent. Match tenants to properties for landlords or property managers and learn the landlord business in the process. 6, manage or supervise remodeling projects for other investors to learn the remodeling business in the process. For strategies for the wealth stage 3, called the saver stage, the strategy goal here is to dramatically increase your savings rate by reducing expenses and or increasing income. They are: 1, any of the options in stage 1. 2, do a live-in then rent by lining up an affordable house for 1 or 2 years and then keeping it as rental. 3, start wholesaling real estate for quicker, smaller chunks of cash This usually requires investments of time and money in marketing and strong sales skills. 4. Start a side hustle that matches your skills and passion with the need in the marketplace. Strategies for wealth stage 4, which is the growth stage. The strategy goal is to grow your smaller net worth into a much bigger net worth. And they are: 1. Fix and sell houses to generate big chunks of cash. Remember to save and reinvest your profits. You can buy affordable properties off-plan from developers, then tidy them up and sell them. 2. Build and grow an income property portfolio. Strategies for wealth stage 5, the income stage. The strategy goal is to turn existing equity into investments that produce maximum income with minimal hassle and risk. They are: 1. With existing real estate portfolio, pay off debts to decrease overall debt levels, reduce risk, and increase income. Or sell low quality properties and replace them with better ones. For now, just choose one strategy that sounds most interesting and then is very applicable to your current wealth stage. And for convenience, I have broken this video into smaller parts, so please look out for the sequels of this video. These steps are only the beginning. Real life is fluid, and decisions that you make will be challenged and tested in the forge of reality. So keep learning and stay flexible. And please let me know if I can help you out by leaving comments in the section below. My name is Olawale Iyinolakan, and this has been Brief Design Workshop Series. Odabo.